Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video we are going to talk about skincare, and particularly we are going to talk about a very important, very popular ingredient, which is salicylic acid, and why should you use salicylic acid on your skin. So there are a lot of benefits of salicylic acid, and I'm sure you have heard about it, and in this video we are going to discuss exactly the same. So salicylic acid is an active ingredient which also known as BHA. It actually helps to clinically exfoliate your top layer of the skin and also unclog your pores and remove dead cells. So it penetrates deeper into your pores to unclog them and also reduce the sebum secretion and redness. So mainly salicylic acid is really popular among the dermatologist as an acne treatment. So if you're a beginner and you want to invest in a product which is really good for your skin as well as they have like salicylic acid in it. So L'Oréal Paris has just launched their Revitalift Crystal gel, which is the latest addition to the crystal range, which I really loved. Like I have been using their micro essence for years now, and this is my I think second or third bottle, and I really love this product. Like it has salicylic acid definitely, and if you know me, you know I have really acne prone skin, so it really helps me with that. So I use this micro essence daily. Like this is my holy grail product, and I use this like twice or thrice a day. So yeah, I really love this, and I'm really excited about this gel cream because I have been using this for 2 weeks now, and I am really loving this like gel cream. So this is my holy grail product already, but I know that this is going to be my holy grail product real soon, because I have been using this product since I got this. And yeah, and also if you know me and you are a regular subscriber or follower, then you know I have been breaking out. Like lately I have been breaking out so much, so I was not using this micro essence, but ever since I use this, like seriously my acne are really be decreasing. So I am really excited, and also like I have really bad cystic acne. So ये जो like micro essence है ना, ये सच में काम करता है, like सच में. And also I am really loving this duo. So yeah, you have to try it. Like this is a genuine review. You have to try this out. And the wow factor of this gel cream is that it has salicylic acid in it, and there is no such brand who have like a cream that infused salicylic acid in it, and yeah, that's excites me more. So yeah, you have to try this out. Like the formulation of this and the consistency I really enjoy. So I have been using these products for 2 weeks now continuously, twice a day or thrice a day. So you can see that, like you can see that result. I have like that glow. Obviously I have some makeup on, but you can see that glow within kind of glow. Definitely invest in these products. Your skin going to love you. Yeah. And now let's talk about the actual product and how I use in my skincare routine. So it's a water-based oil-free formulation that lock in moisture without building up excess oil that would eventually lead to breakouts. It's very lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Basically, the skin has really tiny holes that called pores that release sweat and sebum, which is the body's natural oil. So oily skin is more prone to the acne and pores, so the cream is specially suitable for the people who have combination to oily skin. This crystal gel cream penetrates up to 10 layers deeply refines, purifies and minimizes pores for crystal clear skin, and also controls oil for up to 8 hours. Now I am starting with this with a clean face. I am going to take 3 to 4 drops of it on my palm and dab it gently on the face. And then take a pea-sized amount of the crystal gel cream and massage it all over the face. And yeah, that's how my skin looks like after using this routine. So yeah, you can use this day and night too. And yeah, this is how my skin looks like. This is a simple routine to achieve that crystal clear skin. So the gel cream is available in two different sizes. 15 ml of product for 299 rupees and 50 ml of product for 699 rupees. Check out the links in the description box. I will leave the two of my favorite in the description box. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, we'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and be gorgeous.